I don't know why, but I get this a lot in India. I guess I can pass as an Indian local, but people, like, especially in the Leh, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir region, think I'm local and they talk to me in Ladakhi or Hindi, and I think they assume that I'm Tibetan or something, but it's been interesting. Yeah. And the other part was that these people assume that I know directions to where things are, which I don't, because I'm not local. But it's still funny because yeah, I'm here in Delhi, and there were these tourists from Himachal Pradesh, which is a state in northern India, and they I guess look like Tibetans or from northern India, and they saw me and they thought I was from their region, so it was interesting. But yeah, just crazy stories, you know, especially like when you're not white and you can pass this other stuff. So kind of cool, but at the same time it's kind of annoying. It's still rainy in India.